I've been trying to find a voice cloning tool that doesn't need 30 seconds of clean audio. Every tool I tried either required long samples, sounded robotic, or locked the good features behind an enterprise plan. I've been trying to find a voice cloning tool that doesn't need 30 seconds of clean audio. Every tool I tried either required long samples, sounded robotic, or locked the good features behind an enterprise plan. That's my actual voice on the left. That's the AI clone on the right, generated from just 3 seconds of audio.
Listen closely. This isn't just another case. It is a web. A massive, suffocating web, spun by hands we can barely imagine.
That voice was never recorded. It was designed from that text description alone.
Oh my gosh, you are not going to believe this. I have been waiting all week to share this, and it is finally here. Get ready, because what is coming up is absolutely incredible. Seriously, you do not want to miss this. Let's go.
In this text-to-speech, it automatically analyzed the sentiment and adjusted the tone. No manual tweaking. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the core features. Emotionally expressive text-to-speech, voice cloning from a 3-second clip, and a custom character voice built from a text description, plus more. Let's get into it. I've been testing NOIZ AI for the past 2 weeks, putting it through the same workflows I'd actually use for content: narration, character voices, multilingual output. The team comes from Meta and Google, including the first author of the Natural Speech 3 paper, and contributors to open source projects like Mockingbird and Amphion, with over 45,000 stars combined. We are covering 4 features: the V2 text-to-speech model, 3-second voice cloning, voice design from scratch, and the library system. I'll also cover pricing at the end and be honest about the platform's gaps, because there are some. Plus, there's a free reference guide I put together while testing. I'll mention where to get that when we get to voice design. Before I show you NOIZ AI, let me establish a baseline. I'll run the script through ElevenLabs first, so you can hear what most people are used to.
Finally, the puppy is ours. Look at those floppy ears and that tiny wagging tail. He's just perfect. Wait, why is he shivering? Oh no. No. Little one, please don't close your eyes. Don't leave me alone. This is your fault. You promised he was healthy. How could you do this to a helpless animal? I will never forgive you.
That's ElevenLabs. Solid output, but you can hear it's mostly just reading the text. The emotional shifts are subtle, sometimes non-existent unless you manually configure them. Now let's run the exact same script through NOIZ AI's V2 model. Here's the difference.
Finally, the puppy is ours. Look at those floppy ears and that tiny wagging tail. He is just perfect. Wait, why is he shivering? Oh, no, little one. Please don't close your eyes. Don't leave me alone. This is your fault. You promised he was healthy. How could you do this to a helpless animal? I will never forgive you.
Hear that? NOIZ AI analyzes sentiment at the sentence level and automatically adjusts tone, speed, and rhythm. You don't have to manually tweak every parameter. The output includes breath marks, natural pauses, emotional intonation, the details that make AI voice sound less robotic. You still have expressiveness controls if you want to adjust things manually, but the automation handles most cases well. NOIZ AI has more dynamic variation, especially in the emotional peaks. Quick question for those of you using text-to-speech tools. Do you prefer automated sentiment analysis like this, or do you like manual parameter control? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious what workflows people are using. Now this is where it gets interesting. Voice cloning. Let me show you what you're up against with the competition first. This is ElevenLabs, 10 seconds minimum audio required. That might not sound like a lot, but finding 10 seconds of clean, consistent audio is harder than you think, especially if you're working with podcast clips, social media content, or casual recordings. NOIZ AI requires just 3 seconds of audio. For context, most other tools like ElevenLabs need 10 seconds minimum. And honestly, the results can be hit or miss even then. I'm uploading a 3-second clip of my voice right now. Processing usually takes under a minute. It captures every sound perfectly for this. Take a moment for yourself. This simple trick can bring a little more peace and joy into your busy daily routine. Now I'm going to give it a name and save it. I'm going to play my original voice again, then compare with the clone voice. It captures every sound perfectly for this. Now, I'm going to use my cloned voice with the text-to-speech. It captures every sound perfectly for this. Wow, the difference? Minimal. It captures the timbre, the cadence, even the subtle pronunciation patterns. And here's something that matters if you're building a voice library: unlimited storage. Some platforms, like ElevenLabs, cap your voices or charge extra for more. NOIZ AI doesn't. You can clone as many voices as you need without managing quotas. Voice cloning is great when you have a voice to clone, but what if you need something original? A character voice, a brand persona, something that doesn't exist yet? That's voice design. There are templates to get you started, different character types, tones, styles, solid starting points, but the real power is in the custom generation. You describe exactly what you want. I'll try something specific.
Indeed, the passage of time often reveals truths we were too eager to dismiss in our youth. There is a certain wisdom that only years can bestow, a clarity that sharpens with each experience.
Now here's something you cannot do on ElevenLabs or most other platforms. What makes it even more interesting is that you can exclusively upload an image to generate a matching voice, which you cannot find in other platforms like ElevenLabs. I'll upload this character reference, and NOIZ AI will create a voice that matches the visual.
In the heart of a truly enchanting forest, where the leaves whispered ancient secrets, and the air shimmered with the songs of 1,000 colorful birds, lived a very special little creature. This was Barnaby, a tiny...
You hear how the voice characteristics align with the character's appearance? Genuinely useful for character work or branded content where the voice needs to align with visual assets. And again, this image-to-voice feature doesn't exist on ElevenLabs. By the way, I put together a prompt template guide while I was testing voice design. Different character types, tone descriptors that actually work, emotion presets. I'll drop the link after we cover pricing. Completely free. Okay, quick aside. While I was testing voice design, I tried some intentionally vague descriptions to see how the model handles ambiguity. It guesses, and sometimes it guesses wrong. If you're being specific and it still misses the mark, add more acoustic descriptors: pace, breathiness, resonance. Vague inputs get vague results. This is your voice library. Everything you've cloned, designed, or saved from the platform. Unlimited storage means you can build a series collection without worrying about hitting limits. You can favorite voices from the platform's library and access them instantly when you need them. I want to be straight with you here. NOIZ AI supports 3 languages right now: English, Chinese, and Japanese. If you need Spanish, French, German, or anything else, you're waiting. That's the actual limitation, and it's worth knowing up front.
家居生态全新升级，一句话全无响应，你的家从此真的能懂你了。
I'm adding this to my favorites, and then I'll pick a Japanese voice as well.
今だけ開催中のサマーセールをお見逃しなく、最大 50% オフでお気に入りのスタイルが手に入ります。売り切れる前にぜひチェックしてください。下のリンクからコレクションを購入して、
Let's try the Chinese and Japanese voices we just picked.
你好吗？
お元気ですか？話。閉じに。
For the 3 supported languages, the quality is real. Proper pronunciation, intonation, cultural context, not just interface localization. But if your workflow requires other languages, this isn't the tool yet. A couple more features worth knowing. Video dubbing lets you translate dialogue across English, Chinese, and Japanese while keeping your original visuals. Dialogue editing lets you change what's being said without re-recording anything. The API is open to all users, no tier restrictions. If you're building automated workflows or embedding voice generation into a product, the documentation is straightforward and the access isn't gated. And if you're using open agents, NOIZ AI integrates with that ecosystem: voice synthesis, video translation, the full text-to-speech pipeline. Pricing. NOIZ AI's standard pricing runs about 80% lower than ElevenLabs for comparable features. I verified that number myself. It's roughly accurate for the use cases covered in this tutorial. They're doing $2.99 for the first month, which is honestly enough time to test everything properly and decide if it fits your workflow. We've seen the differences in action throughout this video, but here's the full summary side by side. Voice cloning, 3 seconds versus 10 seconds on ElevenLabs. Voice storage, unlimited versus quantity limited on ElevenLabs. Voice design, text and image inputs versus text only on ElevenLabs. Text-to-speech emotion, sentiment level automation versus manual configuration. API access, available to all plans versus tier-gated on ElevenLabs. Languages, English, Chinese, Japanese. ElevenLabs supports more. Now, the API thing I mentioned. Because the API is available on all plans, you can wire NOIZ AI into an N8N or Make workflow without upgrading anything. I've been using it to automate narration for short-form content. That's the part most people don't realize is accessible from day one. As an aside, I spent 2 weeks testing claims and building workflows. If this walkthrough helped, a like or subscribe helps others find it. Regarding the prompt template guide, it includes voice descriptions, emotion presets for the V2 model, and keyboard shortcuts. The link is in the description. It is free with no sign-up required. So that's NOIZ AI. Sentiment-aware text-to-speech that beats ElevenLabs on emotional nuance, 3-second voice cloning versus their 10-second requirement, custom voice design from text and images, something ElevenLabs doesn't offer at all, unlimited custom voices, and multilingual support for English, Chinese, and Japanese. 3 languages, not more. Keep that in mind. If you want to try it, the link in the description has that $2.99 first month pricing. And the Discord is active, direct support from the team, which I've actually used. Subscribe if you want more honest breakdowns of AI tools that actually matter for creators. Grab the prompt template guide in the description. It'll save you some experimentation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.